This is Sean Bulson, Superintendent of Harford County Public Schools, providing a brief video update to describe some of the work going on in the school system during this closure. I first want to point you to our website, hcps.org. We have a link to COVID-19 in the top left of the homepage. Click there to access the resources with FAQs and all the other information we've made available for some of the unique changes that have taken place during this closure. We have an email address attached there on the website, COVID-19 questions at hcps.org, so you can reach us through that. And we also have a phone number where we have someone attending that during the day. We have people who can answer live, or you can leave a message. The number for that is 410-809-6336. Starting after the break, we turn the instruction over to our teachers, and teachers will be providing lessons for students each week. And so we want them to be communicated early in the week, and then students will have time to work on it, and teachers will be reaching out to provide support and guidance as needed. Now, for some students who we've yet been able to interact with electronically, we know not everyone has access, we will be mailing some resources directly to students who our teachers have indicated do not have the capacity to engage in that electronic back and forth during the week. So some packets will be mailed out. We've been looking at our grading, and we have a communication going up soon about how grades will be calculated. Essentially, for students in grades 6 through 12, we're looking at averaging the first 3 quarters grades and then noting a pass, fail, or incomplete based on the work students are completing during 4th quarter. And in elementary school, we're asking our teachers to reach out and hold parent-teacher conferences much as they do in 1st quarter. So that's a regular practice, but of course these will be done remotely. A couple other things. Staying mentally healthy during this time is so incredibly important. Our student services team has been working on many different ways to reach out. One new thing that we're doing is we've set up a hotline where people can request to speak with a social worker. So if you go in through our webpage, you can find access to where you can leave a message. We have social workers on standby who will be willing to set up an appointment with you, and you can have some time to speak with them personally. We also are we're uploading a video from our Parent Academy. It's our first virtual Parent Academy, and that is our director of the Parent Academy, Mary Beth Stapleton, hosting, along with Christina Alton, our mental health coordinator, and they'll be talking about, again, strategies for staying mentally healthy in these unusual circumstances. I would like to mention we have had the opportunity to get a hotspot installed for Wi-Fi. That's free internet access. It is now installed in the parking lot of North Harford High School, and we know that internet access up there is one of our greater challenges in the county. So people can, if you park, probably the best access is in the upper parking lot along the road, but that is now live and functioning. One last note, particularly to our seniors, we want to recognize that this is a really unusual spring. I don't think any of us have ever experienced anything like this, and you are always in our thoughts. We definitely want to celebrate your educational careers with us, and we have a team working on how we can do a celebration that might look different. We don't know if we're going to be closed the rest of the year. We are waiting for that word just as everyone is. As soon as we know something, we will communicate that with you, and then we will begin talking about how we can respond. And so, just stay tuned. That's something that's the decision that's being made outside the county. Finally, thank you to those healthcare workers in town. They are doing heroic work all the time. Can't thank them enough for everything that's going on. There's so many people delivering to those in need, our healthcare workers most notably, but also, of course, thank our food service folks. They're delivering meals every day, and they've done it every day through this pandemic. This is incredible work. We appreciate all of you. We really look forward to being able to see everybody as soon as possible. So have a great break. Be in touch next week. Thank you.